Have you ever cracked an egg and wondered, where did this actually come from? Well, what if I told you that some farms in the USA produce over 1 million eggs a day? With the help of cutting-edge tech, robotics, and millions of chickens, these farms feed an entire nation. This is the incredible story of how modern chicken farms in America produce millions of eggs every single day. Egg production in the US is massive. The country produces over 100 billion eggs a year. And it all starts on farms like these, with over 2 million laying hens. Each hen lays around 300 eggs per year, which means one farm can produce up to 600 million eggs annually. It's not just farming, it's a science, a system, and a logistical marvel. Modern hens live in advanced barns designed for comfort, safety, and productivity. Some are housed in enriched cages, while others live in cage-free systems or even organic pastures. Everything, from temperature to light cycles, is controlled to support the hen's natural egg-laying rhythm. These farms are designed to keep the birds healthy, clean, and calm. Each hen lays one egg about every 24 to 26 hours. As soon as it's laid, it gently rolls onto a conveyor belt, never touched by human hands. Thousands of eggs move across these belts every minute, traveling through an intricate system of automated sorting and handling. This is efficiency at its finest. Tone, excited, tech-savvy. At the core of modern egg farming is automation and data. Robotic arms pack eggs into trays with perfect accuracy. AI systems monitor the health of the hens, egg output, feed levels, and even barn air quality. One team can oversee millions of hens, thanks to sensors, software, and precision farming. Hygiene and safety. Eggs are cleaned, sanitized, and scanned for cracks or defects. They go through UV sterilization, are sorted by size and weight, and only the best make it to the packaging line. Biosecurity is strict, workers follow clean entry protocols, and barns are routinely disinfected. This is how farms ensure the eggs that reach your plate are fresh, clean, and safe. Once packed, eggs are cooled and stored in giant refrigerated rooms. Within hours, they're loaded onto trucks and headed to grocery stores across America. From farm to supermarket takes less than 48 hours. It's one of the most efficient food systems in the world. Behind every egg is a story of science, innovation, and care. Modern chicken farms combine tradition and technology to meet the growing demand for safe, high-quality eggs. So the next time you make breakfast, remember, it took millions of hens and a lot of innovation to get egg to your plate. Like what you saw? Hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of modern farming.